Alright guys, so I got adventurous and I actually soldered my first tap in there. Came out okay. I think I heated up the track a tiny bit right there, but so basically what you do is you take your X-Acto knife and you cut the colored wire. You just kind of push straight into the rail and then you kind of pull up the wire. See that little hole there? So what Viper recommends, or what you can do, is if you can figure out the spacing, you can make it so that the wire goes down and then kind of presses into that hole. I don't know if my spacing is right or not, but I'm gonna get a screwdriver and push that in. So I'm gonna pause the camera for a second. Okay, so I was able to get that to go down in there. So now I'm gonna get a little bead of solder in there. I'm probably gonna block your view, but sorry guys, I can't worry about the camera too much. But one thing I am gonna do, and I did on the other one, is put some tape, which thanks Big Ralph for suggesting. Gives me a little bit of peace of mind that I have a little bit of protection in case I slip. And it just, the trick is to just try and get the soldering iron on the rail and the wire and not touch the track. I also like to put a little bit of flux in there. Okay, let's give this a go. That's it. Soldered in. Let's see how bad it looks. Not too shabby. I like that. All right, and then you gotta trim a little bit of that wire off because it won't seep down now that the basically just use your tool and roll that back down in there. And that's it. I only have about too many more to do. You just gotta kind of take your time and be patient. A little bit of, I do have a finer tip. I don't know, I might try. I don't know if it'll get hot enough though. I have this really pointy tip. Actually I might switch it to this pointy tip and hopefully it gets the rail hot enough. I think I'm gonna try that next time. That's it. That's soldering in the power taps. And you know, it's not the prettiest thing, but you know, you're not gonna really be staring at that when you're racing. So I see it because I just did it, but that's it. All right, I'm gonna get back to work and keep doing the rest of the taps, but I wanted I wanted to see how it was going to be to try and solder them in, and it's doable. Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks. Bye.